lovelies, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. Welcome to my happy place. How are you, lovelies? So for today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to unstop my completed saving challenges, which is in here, and move it and reallocate it into our month ahead binders and put some for the debt payment. And before that, if you're new to my channel, monthly, I do my monthly saving challenges. And the money that I'm cash stuffing there is, cash stuffing in this binder is all the leftover budget from last month. And for today, we're going to do the same, but we don't have much. Okay, let me get this before I will do the unstuffing of the completed saving challenges. So for leftover, we'll have this one for our budget, and for my wallet, this is my wallet I used last month, and from time to time I'm changing my wallet. So this one I have $30 here, 20, and that's it. I don't have any more. For coins, I think I have here how much? 50 cents, and I will not put it there because I cannot leave my wallet empty. Okay, so let's count how much is the leftover. It's not much because we don't have, we're on a low tight budget this month, last month rather. And let's count how much it is. Okay, so 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 60, 70, 80, 85, and the coins. Okay, let me count it again. So, yep, 170, 80, 85. Yeah. Okay, for the $5 and these coins, we're going to our coin jar. Just hang on. So here's my coin jars. This is for $5 coin jar, cents, and $1, $2. And the $10 coin jar is still, I didn't show it because we don't have $10 coins here. So let's just put here $5, 10. So, and then the cents, just put it in here. And $5, put it in here. Alright, so I'll just keep it in here first. And let's save with $170. And for that, let's do this one. So for Emergent B, let me save here $20. And just and color 2 honeycomb. So this challenge is from, of course, the Two Sister Bees. Alright. So far, what we have here, 500, 20, 40, 60, 80. So 600. Now we have 600. Yay! And sorry about this. And next one is my own creation. Save 20 or 25 in 2025. So it's our, basically you have to roll 6-sided dice. And if you roll even, I'll save 20. If you're on a low budget, you got $2. If I roll odd, I will save 25. So let's roll, I think, one only for today. So odd number, so 25. So let's save here $25. I hope there's a change. So no, let's change this. That's the reason. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, 25. And next one is from April, Fresh Start. So each icon is 20. So let me save here, not much because we don't have much money. Let me save here 20 then. Yes. If I have a lot of leftover, I will save more. But as you can see, we don't have much. I'll have, comparing to the past months, I have more than 500 or more or less 500. But because I'm not working at the moment and the budget is very tight. And for this one is Save with Judy, save 25 per month. And I've already done this one, but I haven't colored it. And let's me save $20 here. 5, 10, 15, 20. Oh no, let me save $10 only. Okay. So that one is this. Oh wait. Okay, let's move. I marked 3, so let's put 3 then. Sorry. Sorry about that. Okay. And for this one is from the Plans and Budget. This one, each icon is $5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So let me finish this. And let's grab $10. So all the completed saving challenge on this envelope is still intact in here. And I will reallocate it at the end of this month. Hopefully I can do it until as much as I can, because if I don't have budget later on, I will just grab all these saving challenges and put it on my budget. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So one challenge done. Yay! So let's just put it in here. And for this one, for Bobby of Canadian Finance Journey, each circle is, I put it as a $10. And let's see how much. Okay, let's save here 20. And let's mark different marker. Yeah. So let's mark 2. So far, what we have here is 320. Okay. Okay, next one. Save 2025 and 2025 by Nita of the Almost Organized Owl. So I don't know how much I will save in here, but let's see. I think yeah, $40. So 25, 50, yeah, it's $40. And let's get here change of $10. So far what we have here, let's count it. Okay. So 500, 1, 2, 3, 4, 450, 1, 2, 3, 4, 550, $600. Wow, I know I have so much more to say, but I'm not in a rush to finish this. Even if I want to finish it as fast as I could, but my budget said, "Oh, slow down, slow down." Okay, and for this one is from Hands and Benz, and every letter is $12. So far, see, I color it, but I'm the only thing that I need to color is S. But I enjoy coloring it off cam. You see that? So what I have to save here. So from S from E until here is not yet saved. It's not yet. I didn't save money yet. So I have here supposed to be 24, right? So let's get here $24 because I don't want some IOUs. Okay. All right. So let's mark here to then. Okay, let's mark 2. It means I'm done. Okay. So far, what we have here, let's see. Let's check. I don't normally count it, but I will count it today. I would like to count it today. So 1, 2, 250, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 350, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 450, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 500, 1, 2, 3, 4, 546. All right. Not bad, not bad. Yay. Okay. So where the completed saving challenges here go at the end of this year. So I will reallocate it to my sinking funds. Okay. So let's go on the main part. Let's do this. Okay. Let's. So I need to separate the butterfly here because this is for our debt. Okay, the butterfly. 1, 2, 3, and that's it. For the butterfly saving challenge, this all go on our debt payment. And let's open it up separately so that I know how much. This is a 2 month savings actually. 2 months from September to August to September. Okay, so I have here prop money of $8. So where do I get the prop money? For the meantime, let's get it on my coins and put this one aside. Let's get 10 then. Okay. So for that payment, we have here 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. Okay, 110 additional money for our debt. And let's keep it aside. All right. And for the main event, I think I will need the cash trader. And this one, just put aside. Let me just arrange it first. Okay. All right. All right. Now it's empty, only rubber band. And let's count. Count with me. So I will fast forward this so that it will more shorter time. Okay, just hang on. Okay, let's count. How much is it? So the total amount, let's see, 100 plus 1, 2, 3, 350. This is for 2 months saving challenges, okay, from August and September. So 20, 40, oh, another 50. Okay, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 240. And for the tens, whoa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, let's count again. 10, plus 250. So it's 990. Whoa, plus the coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 72. Yay! I have 1,062 for two months for doing saving challenges. And let's now go to our month ahead. So I have $100 here. So what I'm going to do is I will put this one into my 100 envelope challenge, because normally I put my tips here, but now I'm not working, so I cannot put money in here. So for time to time, maybe once a month, if until I find a job, I'll put $100 here. So okay, this for our trouble, and the rest I will split it into different categories. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think 4 for now. Okay, let me grab this. 4. Just put it aside first. Okay. So let's move it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's randomize this. I'm using a 4-sided dice and roll it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1. Every time I'll put, I think, for 10, I put 20. Okay, so 4, 2, 1, 4, 1, 2, 3. Sorry. Come on. So 2, 3, 3, 1, 4, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. Let's put 2 here. 2, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3. Come on, 4. Come on. 1, 1. So 3, 1, 3. Oh, 2, 2, 4. Yay. 2. Last one. Last for the notes. 3. Okay, and then for the coins. So I don't want them to. I just put this extra $3 here. Okay. So go. So 2, $10. 3, 4, 4, 2, 4, and 4. Okay. So let's count. Let's move it. Sorry about that. Okay, for the rent. Let's move it back there. So for the rent, what we say here, let me arrange it first. Okay, it's 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 150, 170, 80, 90, 200, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 260. Let's count again. 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 100, 150, 200, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 260. Okay, additional 260 for the rent. And now let's move along and mark this. So for my rent, it's supposed to be fully funded already, but for our September budget, I don't have job. So what I do is I took 9,000 here from this envelope and pay our rent. Our rent is 8,900, but I took exactly 9,000 and use it for our budget last month. So for now, and now let's build up again. It's okay. It's okay if you already fully funded and then if you use it for the same purpose that you saving it. It's okay. You can build it up again slowly but surely, and it doesn't matter how long, but as long as you're saving and you're consistent on your savings, it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be accumulated and go back to fully funded. So I'm okay with that. Just add here. So now it's October. So just put here reallocate. October, I think 3 today. Okay, I just put an additional of 260, and now it's 1,260. Okay, so I'm going to build up another fully funding my rent. And next one, so for groceries or remittance, it's still the same amount, 985. And let's add this money, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 100, 200, 270. Okay, 270. So October plus 270, it's 985 okay, plus 270. So 1,255. And my goal here is to save 1,005. So now we only need 245 to complete this, to fully fund this parents remittance. Okay, and let's put it inside. And this one, I think I need to change it, sorry, into notes. I just put it in here and I will reallocate, I will arrange it later. Okay, and next one, it's for food. So my goal here is to save 3,000, but as of this moment, I have 2,150. You see, my last reallocation is July. So now let's reallocate. Okay, I need to delete some files because my phone storage is full. So I need to delete. So let me just count this one again. So 10, 100, 150, 1, 2, 3, 150 plus 60 is 210. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 60. It's 270. So 270 will go to our
Food.
That's why my now my brain is all over the place because suddenly stop. I don't know how long does it stop. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 100, 170. So 280. Okay, 280. Sorry about that. This video is already long, but please bear with me. It's nearly finished. Okay, so 280. So October plus 280 plus 10 plus 2150. So it's 243. 242, 2430. So my goal here is to save 3,000. So now I only need to save 570 to complete this. Okay. All right. Next one. And last one. Last but not the least. It's grocery. And what I have here is 1,800 and additional of 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50. So again, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50. So additional 150 plus 1,800. So now it's 1,950. And for the goal, let's write down. So for my goal here is 3,000. So I need 1,050 more to complete this challenge, to complete this month ahead groceries, for groceries. Okay, that's the end of my video. Thank you so much for all your support and for watching this long video. I hope you have a great day. Bye for now and see you later. Be humble and grateful. Make saving a habit. Bye.